Alright, so first we have to take the front bar off. I've already taken the little things that hold the plastic down in here. We just need to take the bolt off now, and then the top ones, and then take the front bar off. So we just have the two 10mm sockets or 10mm bolts in here, one there and one at the top, and take this side off while Craig's doing the other side. Things here off and take the cover off, and then there's 2 screws should be under it. Take the whole bar off. So I thought we could just take it off by that, but I forgot there's little 7mm bolts under here, because on my other FG I left that whole thing off and forgot about it. So alright, so now we got the bar off, and these just had little caps on them on the ends there, and I just popped those off. Now we're going to take the stock cooler piping out. It looks pretty straightforward, and then put the new one on. Alright, so we had to take the headlights out. I was hoping didn't have to get those undone, or to get those out anyway, because they have like little joins on them where you can't take it out. I thought maybe they'd done clip from each other, but it doesn't, so yeah. Anyway, now that's all the piping off. It's time to put all the new stuff on. This stuff Lloyd's already taken out. It's all got the ANTZ thing on there, and the piping, and then more. And it comes with all new hose clamps too, so I don't have to use those old bodgy ones. Turns out these things do come undone, because Lloyd just got one undone. They just pull down, but anyway. Yeah. Anyway, we couldn't get that undone, so we pulled the headlights out. Probably help us anyway, but wait and see. We stopped the video because we're having troubles getting this hose clamp on from the one that comes with the kit. So we ended up just using the stock one to clamp it down. But we've got this on. And then Lloyd started this side as well. So I've just got all these fitted up. This one was a bit of stuff around because it had a mag kink in it, but I've just fixed that. And that's just meant to be the 45-degree angle or whatever. It's got still a bit more kink than I think it's meant to, but if focuses, yeah, I think that's a bit more kink than it's meant to, but there's still a lot of room in there. I'll play around with it a little bit more and see if I can get less of a kink, but I got that. And then this one up, just need to put hose clamps on them all. You take photos of me for, mate. What's this thing on his head? Look at that. Trying to get his head from getting sunburnt because he has no hair. But yeah, just got to put all my hose clamps on now, and then that's pretty much it. So we have everything on now, all the hose clamps. So we're going to turn it on and see if we can find any boost leaks. Hopefully not, but yeah, better do it now. I already found one problem. I didn't try that hose clean pump. But yeah, apart from that, tighten that and then should be good. And we just finished it. We've got to put everything back on, like front bar and lights back on and stuff, and then gonna try and do this underglow. But Craig reckons he knows how to wire it up, so he'll probably blow my car up, but wait and see.
Oh, good.
But yeah, so that's that done. Pretty short video probably. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'll be doing more with this car in the future. Hopefully in the next 2 weeks we'll be doing injectors, the fuel system, or just injectors, fuel lines and fuel pump. And yeah, so like I said, if you liked this video, please leave a like on it, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.